So we are seeing for each loop in Java. For each loop in Java. So for each loop, it is basically used for traversing. Okay, traversing array. It is a traversing technique or iteration. Okay, so for traversing an array or for iterating the elements, we are using a for each loop, and it is similar to for loop. So we'll take one example. Now I have taken one class scan, then I have written a main method. In that I am taking one array of integer. I have given a variable name as ARR, and I'm writing some numbers in that. Okay, so this is my array. I have declared an array. Then I have taken one, just we will see to display the array list with the help of for each loop. So now I have declared an array. I'll write it in a comment. Declared array. Now I want to print array using for each loop. So let's see how to print the array with the help of for each loop. See, the syntax is for in bracket. Now the elements in the array are all in integer format. So I'm taking a variable int and I'm another taking variable I. So that whatever the array list will be, it will be displayed in that I. So the numbers in the array list, I will call it as I. So int I, then write array name, that is ARR. Inside that, just display that I. So system.out.println. I'm displaying the variable I. You see what I have did is I've taken one array int ARR, and in that I have assigned some values. So these values now I will consider as I. So that data type of I will be int. So I have taken int I, and that array I am accessing. So it will help us to print all the numbers of this array. So I will save this and let's run this. Java C scan.java. See, it is just displaying the numbers 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, minus 1. So what it does, it just helps us to iterate the elements or to traverse the elements. For that purpose, we are using the for each loop in Java programming. Now suppose if I want to find the answer of or the sum of these elements, means 3 plus 4, 4 plus 6, 6 plus 8. So whatever the answer will be, like 3 plus 4, 7. So 7 plus 6, whatever the answer will be, 13. So 13 plus 8. So this wise, I want to find out the sum of answers or the sum of elements. So what I need to do is, I will just take one variable int sum is equal to 0. And now here in the logic, I will just add sum is equal to sum plus, let me show you. Here I will just add sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay. So this means my value of sum is initially 0, right? So 0 plus I. Now in the I, this whole array list I considered as I. Now this array list is I. So 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, it will be 3, right? So I will print 3. Again 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. So again 7 plus 6, 13. And 13 plus 8. Likewise, we are finding the sum of all the elements. So let's save this and we'll run the code. See. I need to print sum, okay? As I have taken a variable sum, so I'm printing the answer of sum. So I will run this code. See, it is 29. My output is 29. So this is the answer of sum of all numbers. Okay? So for this purpose, we are using the for each loop. It will iterate all the elements in an array list.